Meaning of impersonator.
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 Impersonator. An impersonator is someone who imitates or mimics another person's appearance, mannerisms, or behavior in order to entertain or deceive others. This may involve taking on the persona of a celebrity, politician, or other public figure. Impersonators can be found performing in variety shows, comedy clubs, and other venues, or they may engage in more nefarious activities such as identity theft or fraud. Overall, an impersonator is someone who uses their talent for mimicry to create a convincing portrayal of someone else, whether for entertainment purposes or with more sinister intentions.